Alright, where are my classmates at? Hello, Julie. Hello, Mr. Layton. Hello, Remington. Hello, Caleb and Vanessa. Alright. So, tomorrow, I just want to let you know that we are going to have a special guest. Yay! Alright, so, we're going to do some math. After they done math, ring, hold on. Hello? Uh-huh. Oh, Chuck, what happened? Oh, no. Your computer needs fixed? Okay, I'll be there. Bye. Alright, you better be good. Mr. Ryan, look after the kids. I got fix on Chuck's computer. Okay, Miss Santos. Now, what do you guys want to do? I don't know. Want to play outside for a little while? I guess so. Okay, Jolie. Let's get the bouncy balls. Nah. We don't want that. We don't want bouncy balls. We, want some fresh air. Let's get energy out. Let's get some energy out today, kids. It's my job to look after the kids. Oh boy, there's some mud. Remington, get out! Yeah, you're not supposed to play in the mud. Oops. Yeah, you better say oops. If you do that again, I'm gonna send you Mr. Holmes' office. Okay. Hey! I'm sending you to the principal's office. So, Caleb and Remington, what are you two doing in my office? Well, I saw him playing in the mud 2 times. Remington, are you kidding me? You can get dirt everywhere. But luckily for you, you didn't get any dirt. That's it. I'm gonna send you home early. Caleb, where are you supposed to be at? I was supposed to be outside. Oh, what happened? Miss Santos, let's go to fix Chuck's computer. Ah, dang it. Well, I hope it works. Yeah, just fine. Yeah, I hope it works just fine. Yeah, catch you later. Yeah, catch you later. Have a good day. Remington, I cannot believe you played in the mud 2 times. You did not get dirt on you. Over you. Thank goodness. Now, go to your room. Back outside. Class. Did you got Remington expelled? Mr. Hemsley did. Oh, okay. Alright, well, that's enough playing outside. Let's go back inside. Hello, Miss Santos. Hello. Did you fix Chuck's computer? Uh-huh, and it worked. Yay! Alright. Ring. Oh, no. It's the bell. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a special guest. Remember, if you guys want, Mr. Lane can take, you, Caleb. Yeah, just you. You know, Mr. Lane. You can take Caleb, Vanessa, and Jolie to Mr. Ward's room if you don't want to see it. Alright, you can do free time, whatever. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Bye. See you guys. See ya. Ring. Oh, no, Remington. I'm getting a call. I wonder who can that be? Ooh. Hello, this is, Mr. Stapleton. Hello, Mr. Stapleton. This is Mr. Ward with a very important announcement. Yeah? Well, what is it for? Well, actually, it's for that special guest tomorrow at school. Do you think Remington would see it? Oh, I don't know. He might do something crazy. Well, I bet so. He can hang out with me if he wants. Okay, well, thanks. No problem. Have a good day. Alright, you too. Bye. Bye-bye. Who is that calling you? It's a school. What they want? They have a very important special guest. Well, I think that's what I heard. Can I see it? Oh, no. You're going to hang out with Mr. Ward tomorrow. But... Oh, goodness. You better go to sleep. It's past your bedtime. Ah! Ugh, time to get up. Alright, time to go to school. Bye-bye, Dad. Bye, Remington. Hello, Remington. Are you excited for the special guest? No, I'm not. Why? Well, I have to hang out with Mr. Ward. Well, that's very nice. I hope you... Come on, Remington. Let's go. Whatever. Do whatever you want. Where are the kids? I think we'll just hang out here. In my room. What's going on? Don't you want to stay in here? No, I'm gonna take the kids to my room. I'm sure they'll do something fun. Maybe we can play outside or whatever, etc. Well, okay. That's fine. If you want to come in here, that's up to you. I don't care. You'll need any permission. Okay, thanks. Class, I've decided that we will go to my room. Alright, let's go to Miss Santos. Miss Santos, we'll just go to my room. Okay. I'm gonna stay here. Alright, let's go to my room. Man. It's so fun, ain't it? Oh yeah, it is. How about we play some of Remington's toys that he just left yesterday? What is it? Like the ball magnets. Yeah. Oh no, danger come. Mother Nature, you need an office, please? Thanks. Baby, that's the special guest. Why is there a kid? And what do you want? The kid, he's hanging out with me. He doesn't want to see you. Because I get so much trouble, that's why. That's right, Remington. Anyways, your schedule will be at, I'd be like, 1 o'clock. Okay, thanks, bye. Probably have a good day. What do you say? We should play more ball magnets? Oh, yes. Knock, knock, knock. Uh-oh. Yes? Hey! What are you doing? We'll play with ball magnets. Okay, whose are these? Remington's. Daddy forgot them. Hey! Don't play with Remington's stuff! Well, he was mean, wasn't he? I guess I'll take this to Remington. No. I'll put it in this backpack. Alright, it's in this backpack. Well, I guess we can't play with ball magnets. Man. How about we go outside again? Just like we did yesterday. Yeah. Oh, the ground is finally dried up. Yeah! There's no mud. Oh yeah, baby! Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah, that's fun, ain't it? Oh yeah! Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Hey! What's going on here? Chris, I can fully understand that. Oh, Caleb! Yeah! You know, I'm thinking we should cite your lunchbox. What? Well, where at? In your room. No, in the cafeteria. But, come on. Fine, but I hope you don't get caught, or else there'll be some big problems. Alright. Yo, we're at the cafeteria. Alright, I'm at the gym. Let's practice my sounds. Alright, here we are. Let me try again. Zap! What the? I just can't concentrate because I think I just sold two crazy people just doing something weird. Hey, can you be quiet? Shut up. Hey, no, I'm getting the principal. No! Hey, what happened? We just got in trouble by placing the lunchbox by that woman. That woman, huh? That woman? Well, we'll see what happens in the principal's office. So, Chris, you weren't trying to cite Caleb's lunchbox, weren't you? Yeah, that's why you couldn't make her concentrate. No! You're just making me get him covering his ears. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. No! Quit! Do you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Now, just play just play in a different room, okay? Somewhere around noon, you can beat Mother Nature, okay? I know, let's play in Mr. Lane's room. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Lane in here. Ain't in here. Huh. Safe ain't this Vanessa and Jolie, so let's play. At 1 o'clock. Alright, come in here. Can this place try to make Mother Nature? Yes, but you know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna steal her wand to become powerful. Oh no, I wouldn't do that if I were you. Yeah. I guess we'll just see this. Just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Alright. Here we are. How about we get a lion in here? Roar! Hey! That was in the episode, Mr. Lion. If you haven't seen this video, go ahead and watch it. If you didn't see it on Caleb's YouTube channel. Yeah, I think it's funny. I guarantee it. Anyway, back to the show. Let's disappear the lion. Bye-bye. Alright, that's all today. Bye. She forgot her lawn. Ooh, a wand. What is that? I don't know. Just stand back and watch me do my magic tricks. Let's get my dad in here. Remington, I cannot believe you ate 500-piece chicken McNugget at McDonald's. Let's disappear him. Let's get Mr. Lion in here. Remington, you better stop that. Oh no, that was real. It feels like I'm forgetting something. My wand. Hey, you little boy. No, you don't do that. Go to the office. Don't yell up. Hey, that's it. I'm taking you now. So, what happened here? I told you I was going to steal a wand. Really, you can't do that. That's not good. But she forgot her wand. Oh, I see. And we saw a lion in the episode. On the other episode. Oh, okay. So, Remington, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to send you home early. Now go. What is going on? I don't know. This is like a movie in here. Oh, yeah it is, ain't it? Anyway, I just don't know what to do around here.